Join me in making beef stroganoff. This is everything that you'll need. First, I'm going to coat my meat, which is beef stew chunks, in some flour so that it helps with thickening of the sauce later on when you fry the beef. Next, I'm going to chop an onion, and I'm leaving this in fairly large chunks because onion gives me heartburn right now while being pregnant. Next, I'm going to open up a can of mushrooms and save the water. Next, I'm going to get the water for my pasta ready, and to do this, you want to salt it as salty as the sea and add some olive oil. Next, in my frying pan, I'm going to add a generous amount of butter because that is going to help with the roux when you fry your beef. And I'm going to add onion and garlic to the pan and saute that until the onion is clear and the garlic is nice and fragrant. Next, I'm going to drain that water from the mushrooms that I saved so that I can fry the mushrooms with the onion and the garlic and get those warmed up, basically. Remove the onion, garlic, and mushroom mixture from your pan and add more butter afterwards. Once the butter is melted, add your beef into the pan, and you don't need to add all of the flour. If you don't need to, you can add more later. And you're going to want to fry that until it's nice and browned. Because you have flour on your beef, you want to make sure you stir it regularly, otherwise the flour will burn and your roux will taste horrible, which will make your sauce taste bad. Once the beef is ready, add your vegetables back in, and then you're going to add your mushroom water. This is going to thicken fairly quickly, so make sure you stir continuously. Once that's thickened, add your milk and keep adding milk until it is your desired thickness. Because this sauce is milk-based, make sure you stir often as to not burn and scald your milk because you don't want that. Plus, it'll also help in with thickening. Next, you're going to add your seasonings, and here I just used salt, pepper, parsley, paprika, and crushed red pepper flakes.